Which of the following describes the shaded region? Select all that apply. So this shaded region, we have a solution that is a union. We have x is less than or equal to r minus s, and we have x is greater than or equal to r plus s. Those are the two inequalities graphed on the number line. So if we have their union, we have an or compound inequality. We have x is less than or equal to r minus s, or x is greater than or equal to r plus s. Choice C. It's not an and inequality like A and B. It's not an intersection. It's an or inequality. Now, in words, this solutions are all the numbers whose distance from r is greater than or equal to s. Well, let's take a look. This center is in the middle of r minus s and r plus s. So you have a center of r that your distance is then either s or your distance is either negative s. You're moving to the left an s amount or to the right an s amount. So you have greater than that distance, greater than or equal to, you actually are including that point like E. If we actually use our absolute value model then, absolute value inequality, x minus the center would be greater than, right? Or compound inequalities match or inequalities. So greater than or equal to the distance, which we're not using C and D though, we're using R as our center. Greater than or equal to S, which matches up with D. So C, D, and E are all true about the shaded region above. We have or compound inequalities, the literal description, or a greater than or equal to absolute value inequality.